Hola todos! Here's the AI news for May 21st, 2026. Google AI Studio now creates complete Android apps with a prompt. Describe your idea, get working native code. Free deployment on Cloud Run, direct integration with Gmail, Docs, Drive, and Calendar. Real-time phone testing. And speaking of integrations, 520 MCP tools for Unreal Engine. 5 were released today. Niagara, MetaHumans, Sequencer, Virtual Production, PCG, and Source Control. Your agent controls practically everything in UE5. Open source. 800 million free tokens per month. Free LLMs have reached 2,300 stars. 14 aggregate providers. Google, Grok, Cerebras, OpenRouter, GitHub models, plus 9 more. An OpenAI compatible endpoint. Intelligent router with automatic failover. 0 subscriptions. But beware, GitHub has been compromised. An employee installed an infected VS Code extension. NX console, 2.2 million installs. 11 minutes online. 3,800 internal repositories exposed. Team PCP sold data on the dark web. The extension stole tokens from GitHub, NPM, AWS, Kubernetes, even 1Password. It all started from a hidden orphaned commit. This isn't an isolated case. Team PCP poisoned Trivy in March, checkmarks in April, Tanstack in May. The malware propagates itself. It infects a package, steals published tokens, and jumps to the next. It automatically traverses NPM and PYP. It has already hit Cisco, Bitwarden, and Aqua Security. And speaking of security, MEDUSA is an AI-first scanner with 9,600 detection patterns, prompt injection, jailbreak, MCP tool poisoning, RAG, and agent vulnerabilities. 200 CVEs included Log4 Shell, LangChain RCE, XZ Utils backdoor. Windows, Linux, macOS, JSON, HTML, Markdown, Serif reporting. Anthropic demonstrated the definitive framework for multi-agent systems. 4 layers. Production grade. A 30-minute workshop from the internal team. Not theory. Real architecture. OpenAI solved the planar unit distance problem. Paul Erdos posed it in 1946, 80 years ago. Mathematicians believed square grids were optimal. An OpenAI model found a new family of constructions that perform better. The first time an AI autonomously solves a central open problem in mathematics. OpenAI also published an internal PDF on how they use Codex. Security, infrastructure, front-end, API. 4 PRs merged into a day full of meetings because Codex was running in the background. Quick understanding of unknown codebases. Multi-file refactoring. Automatic testing for edge cases. Instant scaffolding. Anthropic released a 27-minute workshop on how to write prompts for Claude, taught by the person who built it. Free. No registration. Gemini 3.5 Pro likely arriving in mid-June. Google's flagship soda. Focus on coding, agents, reasoning, and memory. Price similar to Gemini 3.1 Pro or slightly higher. It won't be a Mythos model but closer to GPT 5.5 or Claude Opus 4.7. Improved grounding and search reliability. More recent knowledge cutoff. And finally, Apple has released LiTo, a 3D generator that combines geometry and appearance into a single 3-dimensional latent space. Converts RGBD images into compact surface light fields. Recreates specular highlights under complex lighting. Generates 3D objects from a single image with input consistent materials. A busy day. Find links to these news items and other interesting links on my website ziobuddalabs.it. Save the video so you don't miss it. Follow me on my social media channels and on the new podcast on Spotify. And damn you if you haven't already, share the video with friends and enemies. And hola todos.